didn't do a good job cutting these holes. What's up, Wolfpack? Welcome back to another video. Glad you guys made it. As you might know, or seen from my videos and stuff, my dog Steel, he's a husky, probably the greatest dog ever. Loves everyone, loves people, loves food, loves other dogs so much. And I'm gonna put him to the test right now and see if he's a good guard dog. So here's the setup. He's on the couch right now. He's sleeping on the couch. There's a sliding glass door to the outside, and I'm gonna pretend to leave. I'm gonna go out this door, pretend to leave, say bye to him, say see you buddy, and go out the same door that I always leave. Go around put the robber mask on, and I get this whole outfit on. I'm gonna put that all on, and then I'm just gonna like bang on the door and just like try and like get a reaction from him and see what he does. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Hey, Steel. Hey. I'm gonna leave now, okay, buddy? See you later. Bye. Bye, Steel. Bye. Alright, he's on the couch right there. I'm gonna put this stuff on now. Alright, here we go. Robber's outfit complete. Steel's right there. Where are you going? Steel, it's me! It's me! So, as you can see, he's not the best guard dog, but he is the prettiest dog. I wasn't sure there for a moment, like there was a moment where I actually got kind of scared. I wasn't sure what he was gonna do. And then he started wagging his tail. Alright, Steel? You want treat? You want treat? This is his chicken. He loves chicken, right, Steel? Oh, you love the chicken. Yes, you do. Watching, make sure you like and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that, smash that like button. Smash it, right, Steel? Smash. And let me know in the comments if your dog is a good guard dog or not, and what they would do in that situation. Shout out to Chloe, aka @FabOverload. On Twitter. Make sure you give her a follow. She's this week's Wolf of the Week. Follow me on Twitter @JoeyAhern, and make sure you put my post notifications on. Peace.